Nakakalungkot naman ang balita kung ito nga ay may katotohanan mula sa naging YouTube channel ni Christopher Min na itinapik din ni OG Diaz kamakailan lamang ang lumabas na nga sa isang blind item na bakit nga daw ito ay biglang pinatay o tinanggal sa isang serye na napakahalaga ng kanyang pagganap. Ito'y walang iba kundi si Kensha na inihayag na nga na inilabas na ang warrant of arrest. Yan ay natalakay mismo ni Christopher Min sa kanyang YouTube channel na Showbiz Now Na, kung saan ay isang warrant of arrest pa lamang ito at mayroon pa raw maraming ilalabas na warrant of arrest. Ang nasabi nga pong nasa warrant ay may halagang 30 million pesos na syndicated estafa ang sinampa kay Kensha. Ibinahagi din ito ng Philippine News kung saan narito po ang nasabi nga pong full update. Kapuso actor Kensha is allegedly facing an estafa case, and amid this, he shared this post on his Instagram page. Just recently, Ken's name was entangled in an issue. It started with a blind item about an actor who evaded arrest of tinakasan ng kaso, and so his character in a series was terminated. Netizen guessed that it was Ken. Talent manager vlogger OG Diaz shared on his Showbiz Update vlog that the rumor has is that Ken's business investors filed a complaints against him. In a follow-up vlog about this, the talent manager vlogger shared that after discussing the issue concerning Kensha, several people called him and confirmed that they filed a case against the Kapuso actor. A person even shared a photo of the alleged warrant of arrest with the actor's name and the names of his relatives. Allegedly, millions of pesos from investors were gone. It was also said that Ken's business partner already departed from him. This business partner was the alleged person who took away the investors' money. OG also said that he messaged Ken to get his side of the story, but the actor has not responded to his messages. Amid the alleged estafa case against him, Ken broke his social media hiatus based on the article in Inquirer. Sinasabi na umalis nga daw ng bansa itong si Kensha, pero sa kanyang Instagram story ay mukhang ibinahagi nito na nasa Pilipinas, nananatili pa rin ito at nagbahagi siya ng mga poon na kung saan ay tila nagdarasal nga ang nasabing Kapuso actor. Well, ano ang masasabi niyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.